So I'm going to walk you through your 5-minute evening routine, and it will literally take you 5 minutes. And no matter how tired you are at the end of the day, you can get this done. So we always start with the Dream Clean Cleanser, and you want 2 pumps to begin with. And it's specifically formulated as a cream, so it's perfect for your double cleanse. So we're going to work it all over dry skin first, just get an even distribution. Down your neck too. And then once it's covered everywhere, we're going to emulsify it with a little bit of warm water. And it's super important that the water is warm and not hot, because we don't want to damage your delicate skin barrier. Now with this one, it's completely safe for your eyes too. So really gently, in circular motions, work it into your eyes. I like to work on my lashes only rather than the whole eye, just to be as gentle as possible. And we'll end up looking like a little panda. So little circular motions all over. And then you're going to take your So Soft face cloth. I'm obsessed with these cloths. Dip it into lukewarm water again, wring it out, and this is dual-sided. So we're going to take the slightly more textured side first, so that this can pull all the dirt and grime trapped deep within your pores. And I always work from in to out, sorry, so that we can get everything thoroughly removed. When it gets to your eyes though, swap directions. So we're going to go from the outer corner in, and this just stops you stretching and pulling the skin outwards, so we don't accelerate wrinkle formation in this delicate area. Rest of the face, out, out. They're so soft and dreamy. And don't forget to come down your neck too. Then swip to the other side on the forehead, out again. When we get to the eyes, we're coming in super gently underneath as well. There we go. And then from the center, out, right down to your neck. I always come back and just make sure you sweep down your nose and round the corners, because makeup tends to get trapped in it. And then your cloth should look something like this. Now we repeat it again, because that first cleanse has removed our makeup and SPF, and the second is what's really going to clean our skin. So the same process all over your face first. Really gentle circular motions, a little bit of warm water just to emulsify it, and it'll be crystal clean, but never tight or dry. This is super nourishing and hydrating, like a little treatment in itself. In fact, I created this so that it would replicate a professional clinic or spa cleanse, because this is the most important step to get everything working after. This time we're going to take the more fluffy side of the cloth, and we're going to do exactly the same pattern, but this time this side buffs and polishes our skin so it's prepped for the serums to come. Back down your neck, super important. Other side of your face. Back over your eyes and under, out over your cheeks, down your neck, and then a little polish for your nose. And we've got a lovely, filthy cloth, but perfectly clean skin. Now we're on to exfoliating. These are the overnight glow drops, and they're amazing because you can exfoliate your skin without scrubbing. This contains 5 AHAs, or alpha hydroxy acids, that dissolve dead skin cells during the night. So you only want 5 drops. And then you're going to sweep it between your hands very quickly, and then it's onto your face, sweeping motions, down your neck, and then take your 2-piece fingers and just doing gentle circular motions to work it in. Now you'll feel it absorb super quickly. They're designed to work almost instantly, so you'll feel it start to vanish. And once you get to this point, just push it into your skin to help with absorption. And just like that, it'll be gone. Then we're on to our eyes. This is the Miracle Eye Complex, and it's specifically formulated as a serum because heavy creams can weigh down this delicate skin and cause puffiness. You just want a single drop onto your ring finger, and then you're going to dot it the whole way around your eyes. I'm using gentle circular motions just to sweep it into the skin. You can take this right over the eyelid too. It contains an ingredient called Skin Tightener ST2, and when it was tested, 100% of participants felt a skin tightening effect in 10 minutes, so it's really good for this delicate skin. And I always take a little bit through my frown lines too, because I'm quite conscious of this line, and it helps to plump it thanks to all the peptides in the formula. A little bit on the outer corners, and it's gone. Then we're on to our Super Youth Serum. This is 3 serums in 1 bottle. So we've got hyaluronic acid, vitamin C and peptides, and it's the same process. Sweep it between your hands, onto your skin. Don't forget the neck. Peace fingers and just gentle circular motions. Work it in. All these delicate areas over your forehead. Back down to your neck, and then you can just press it in again. Honestly, it feels absolutely dreamy, super hydrating and instantly plumping. There we go, just like that. And to finish, we've got our One Cream Wonder. This contains a really gentle form of retinol that rejuvenates your skin through the night. You only need a tiny amount, much less than you think, and you sweep it between your hands, then onto your face, down your neck again. And you can do a little bit of massage if you want to here. Very simple circular motions on the neck to lift and define and sculpt, as well as drain away any puffiness. And on your face, sweeping motions from your forehead out, covering your entire face until you end up back down at your neck. And just like that, your skin is perfectly prepped, ready for bed, and you will glow like nothing else in the morning.